Hello guys, this is me again, and today I want to show you how we can record a presentation in PowerPoint, how you can record and export a video using PowerPoint. And as you have seen previous video, you can use the Office apps or Office 365 apps online, and you can also use them offline by just installing the Office in your computer. But to access the Office app, Office apps in the online way, you just open a browser, and you open Microsoft Office, office.com. And once office.com is opened, you just have to access the PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint here, you can see it. Or you can access it by clicking on nine dot and click on the app that is PowerPoint, and then you open it and you use it online. And remember that as I've seen the previous videos, once we are using an Office online, we don't need to save everything. It's saved automatically once you have a good network. And to use it offline, you just go to the location where you want to save your presentation, or you go to the start button and you just search for PowerPoint, and then you open it and use it offline. Yeah, and to use it offline, as you know, yeah, this is offline app. It is installed Office 365. This is PowerPoint. And just to use a PowerPoint, as you know, you just have to open new slides. You use slides in PowerPoint as you know, and you open a new slide. Yeah, let's click here and have a new slide. You can choose one slide depending on what you want to type. Maybe you want a title slide, a title and content slide, section header, to content comparison, title only. Can choose the slide depending on what you want to type. I think most of you knows this. And today, as I told you, we are going to see how we can record a presentation. We can just have a screen record using PowerPoint, how we can record an audio using PowerPoint, and how we can export in a video or screen recording as an MP4 format video. And as you see, we have now a new slide. I can have more slides depending on what we are doing. Yeah, Fred, let's start seeing how we can just record using an audio. Maybe here you have a title. You can just type something here. That is a title, maybe. You can just have your notes here pasted from the original document or from online, or just type it. You can do what's simple for you. And then after you type this, for example, yeah, this content on this slide. Here you have a title, here you have slide, and you just want to explain what is on this slide. You just want to give explanations to the audience, to those people that you are going to share this PowerPoint. Instead of just take time to explain what's inside, you can just leave an audio here explaining everything that is on a slide. You're doing that, we just click on record. You see record here. We just click on record. After clicking on record, you see here there is a screenshot. You can have a screenshot. Here there is a record. Here there is a video. You can just even insert in video. Here there is a screen recording. Here there is an audio. Let's, for example, put an audio here. You click here on the audio. You can just insert the audio from the PC, or you can record a sound. You just can record sound. Once you want to record what you have on your slide, you click on record sound and see, and just you give the name to this recording. We just give it call it explanations, so that everybody will just type on the audio and start listening to the explanations of what is on the slide. And after that, you click on the recording here, this lady colored poem, and just you click on it, and after clicking on it, you see it is now counting seconds, and you just once you are done, you can stop it. You can just stop it by here, or you can click OK to just insert the recording in the on this slide. Once you are done by explaining what's on the slide, what's typed on the slide, what you have done on the slide, you can just click OK to let the audio be done. You see, this is the how the audio will look like. You can see the text. This is the text, but in the corner you can just change the position of the audio. You can put in the middle, you can put in the corner, left to right. But once the slide is like this, you see, once you move to a different slide, you come back and you see there is an audio. Let me click on it and you will see how it is very easy to send a PowerPoint presentation with explanations recorded. Let me click on it. You click here to open. You click on it, and after clicking on it, you see it is now counting seconds. Yeah, you hear that everything that I said has been recorded because I've started recording. So this is how you can just record some explanations once you are using PowerPoint, and every slide you can do it. You can just do this on every slide. You can go to the next slide and just record another audio. You can just finish a presentation with explanations on every slide. Yeah, this is how we do an audio recording to every slide, and just you save as you save also the PowerPoint, and you keep on just adding more slides, to add content, to add whatever, to add tables, to add graphics, to add whatever. It depends on the kind of presentation you are just creating. Yeah, so now let's see how you can just now recording a screen. You can just record a screen. Maybe you are just going to show people what you are uh, you're going to show people what you are doing. Maybe you are teaching them the ICT. You are teaching them how to do something using another app rather than PowerPoint. You just click on screen record. You see, I'm clicking on screen recording, and after clicking on it, you will be given this yeah this tab, and this tab will just come with this kind of cursor, and you just have to select the area where you want to record. Yeah, to record, and you can even click here to select an area depending on the region you want to record. You can just select from here in the corner, and then it will make it a full screen. It is a full screen, but you can also select a small space on this screen. You can do this, and then after selecting the area, you have to start recording. Let me do this. Yeah, now the recording has started, and it means everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing, you see, whatever I can do, Whatever I can do will be recorded as a screen record video that will be inserted in my PDF, in my presentation, my PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, this is how to do it. This is how we can use the PowerPoint to just to record the screen, to record an audio, insert a video. Once you are done by recording, you immediately click here to stop. You can pause and then you unpause after, but you can even stop recording. Once you click on stop recording, it means you are done by recording what you are just that what you have recorded or what have been uh, recorded, and this is the video of the screen recording. It will immediately be located on the slide that you are on, and this is the video. You can just click here to start playing the video. You see, yeah, now the recording has started, and it means everything I'm saying. Yeah, you see that everything I said was recorded. Yeah, this is the video, and this video can be edited. You can just yeah, put different borders. You see what you see. It can change depending on what kind of animation you want to give it. You see, yeah, you can just edit this video in the way you want. And a very important thing is that you can just trim this video. You can just crop the video to say, I want to start from here up to here. I just want to ignore the beginning. Maybe I just want to start on a given seconds, a given uh, yeah, given minute, and I just want it to be ended at a given minute. Just to do that, you just click on the playback. You click on playback, you see, and you come here to trim video. Once you click on the trim video, you see, will be given an option to edit the video. You see, my video looks like this. You see, I'm doing. You see what you can put it on the starting point. And it means everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing. You see. So what you can do with this trick with this trim, it's that you see this is the beginning of the video and this is the ending side of the video. You can just use the two ends. You see those two ends here, and this one to just to yeah, to position where you want the video to start. You see that I can do it. I can just put my cursor here and I crop up to where I just want my video to start. You see, maybe I just want it to start by here, and I can even just choose the end where I want my video to take an end. I can crop it until I get where I just want. You see, once I play my video again and do, you see it starts where I can do recorded as a screen record video. That you see, my video now is very small compared to how it was before. Yeah, so this is how you can trim your video and put it in a presentation. Yeah, it will be inserted in my PDF in my presentation, my PowerPoint presentation. Now it ends. Yeah, you before saving, you can even crop, extend it to a price where you want. You see, whatever. And once you are done with this trimming, you have to click on OK to confirm the size of the video. To confirm the length of the video, you just click on OK and it is now saved. Yeah, now it's done. This is where my video is going to start. You see, and do whatever. Yeah, the change have been applied. Yeah, this is the video. You can crop it. You can just, depending on where you want to put it, you see, you can just resize it. You can resize it and let it here. Maybe the title saying that this is how to do this. This is how to join. This is how to. Yeah, depending on the title, you can just record and do it the practice and show it to the to people who are going to access this PowerPoint. And again, you can insert a video from your PC and you resize it depending on what you want. Maybe you are on recording and you click on video. After clicking on video, remember that we are on in our just recording. It's still being in recording, and you can just insert any video depending on what you want. You can insert it, and after inserting it, you click on the video that you want to insert. You click on insert, and once the video came in the slide where you want to put the video, you can also edit it. You can just trim it. You can just place it where you want it on the slide. You see, now the video is here. Yeah, you can resize it. You see, you can resize it. You can resize it. After resizing this, you can even edit uh, by clicking on playback, and then you can trim it. You can just crop it to give it a very short, a very maybe you just need a part in the video. You don't need the whole video, but you need a part. You need maybe a part of 1 minute, while the video has maybe 12, 15 minutes. But you just do it by trimming the video. You can click on playback and you can trim the video. You see, you can edit it. It is 12 minutes for 3 seconds long, but you can just trim it and put it on the length that you want. This is how you do it. You click on OK, and the video that you have imported from the PC, from your computer, has been edited, and this is how you want that you people watch this uh, uh, with this uh, with this length. So this is how to do it. Yeah, also you can record a screenshot. You can just resize the video. You can do whatever, and after that, after doing that, you can also export the media, export the video. Maybe this is the video that I recorded first. I can just right click on it. Once I right click on it, and I want to save it as an MP4 alone without being in a slide, I can click on save media as to save this video alone, only the video where I want, whether I can just play it around without going back to the presentation. I can click on save media as. You see, it is an MP4 video. You can just rename it. Maybe you just call it PPT, yeah, PowerPoint presentation. And after that, you can just choose a place where you want to save this. You just maybe click on desktop, you save it. And once you go to the desktop, you find the video there. It means that you can even make a video. You can make a screen recording using the PowerPoint, and you at the end you end up having only the video without the presentation. outside the presentation. So let me play the video, and I can play it. It is an MP4. It is an MP4. Once I play it, it is like this. Yeah, now the recording has started, and it means you see it is only the video without the slides, without the presentation. You can even just send it anywhere. You can upload it anywhere. You can use it anywhere you want, but as a video and not a presentation. Yeah, this is how we can just export what we have done. This is how we can save our video to our PC and just to take it out of the presentation. You can even use this way to record something, and just if you don't have any other recorder or screen recording apps, you better use PowerPoint, and then you save as a media, and you just get the video of what you are doing, of what you want to tell to people, and you keep the video around outside the slides. Yeah, this is how we can do it. And remember that you can also publish to stream. You can save as a show. You can export the video to other places. You can insert the form in your presentation. Maybe you are on the Rust page, on the Rust slide, and you want to insert the quiz or assignment. If it is if it's your notes for students, and after inserting the form, it's very easy to the student to go through the slides, and at the end they click on the link to just start the quiz or assignment. Yeah, this is how we can just use simply the recording. You can screenshot this. You can just equip. You can equipping a place where you want to have a screenshot of what is on the screen, of what is on the desktop. This is how we do it. And once you are done, you can just save your file. You save it by clicking on save. Here you can just save as clicking on the file menu. You can just use shortcuts like Control S to save. You can do whatever you want with this document. So this was a very important point to know in the PowerPoint, how you can just using this recording to record something to put in your presentation, to explain what's on the slide before just finalize your PowerPoint, and you send the document with the explanation on every slide. Yeah, guys, this is how we do it. This is how we make our PowerPoint interactive. This is how we make our presentation smart. And see you next time. And I think you're going to start using recording in PowerPoint presentation. And see you, and keep enjoying my videos, and also keep subscribing to my YouTube channel.